In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send a gift message on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. And once it is done, tap right here to go to your DMs. And then open up a conversation with the person whom you would like to send a gift message. After that, just stop right here and then just enter your message text first. And once it is done, tap right here at this search icon to show up these effects pop up. And from here, we can easily under effects find this gift effect, and you might have to drag it left or right until you find it here. And then we just need to tap right here at that gift box to apply that effect to our message and to immediately send it to our conversation. Now guys, to read the message, our recipient needs to tap at that gift box to see the message text. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.